Hi, Jason from Metra Electronics. Today I'd like to talk to you about some of the additional iBeam products that we're bringing into the line this year. From vehicle-specific applications to more universal applications that are going to help you guys in the install bay. So we're going to take a few minutes, we're going to go over them, and we're going to see how they can help you. The first two parts I'd like to tell you about are accessory parts. These are really going to help you guys in the bay when you run up against those obstacles that, it's not really easy to overcome. So the first one that I'd like to tell you about is iBeams TE-VVT. And what this is a voltage reducer. This voltage reducer takes an input voltage of 12 volts, and through this switch, you can select 9 volts, 6 volts, 5 volts, or a 3.3 volt output. So this is pretty convenient when maybe you're trying to retain a factory camera and there isn't a solution out there for you. You can take the voltage reducer and now wire it in. It's included, it comes with instructions which are included in the package, so it'll be real easy to wire up. The next one I'd like to tell you about is our TE-CAMFLTR cam filter. And what this is for applications that have pulse width modulated rear tail lights. Sometimes if you're tapping into the reverse circuit of a specifically, we'll call out a Chrysler vehicle. Those are pulse width modulated, which means they flash really fast. And what this filter does is, once it's wired in line with the power of your camera, it stabilizes that voltage and it gives you an output that's stable to turn that camera on. So again, it's a great addition. It'll certainly help you in the bay, and it'll kind of help you not having to run that power wire or the reverse wire all the way up to the front. Now the next accessory I'd like to tell you about is part number TE-190. What this part is a wide angle rear camera. Everybody, customers want to improve the visibility while they're backing up. This wide angle camera can help them do that. It's got 190 degree viewing angle, 210 diagonally, and 190 horizontally. So it's really going to cover a wide range of area behind the car. Comes with plenty of cable. We have over 26 feet of cable length. Comes with the accessories, the nut, the lock nut, lock washer, and the adhesive tape. So you can see, relatively small. You can pivot the lens and maneuver the lens to get the appropriate angle based off of whatever car you're working on. The next one is TE-DVR 1080. And this is a DVR. It's a windshield mount, so it comes with a suction cup. It's got a nice little packaging option here, relatively small. 2-inch screen. It records in 1080p. Again, comes with a suction mount. Quick disconnect so you can snap it off when you don't want it visible while you're parked. It also comes with a pre-wired cigarette lighter adapter to a micro B, and then also micro B to USB. So this is to safety, vehicle safety, especially in heavy traffic conditions or possibly accidents. It's always good to have this type of DVR. Plus it's high definition, so you're not going to have any resolution issues if you need to have a playback for whatever reason. So it's a great piece, and it's going to work well in your vehicle. Not only in the iBeam line do we offer backup cameras, but we also offer third brake light cameras. These have become very popular over the last few years, and specifically we had requests from you, the installers, for the Ford applications and the GM applications. So the first part I'd like to tell you about is TE-3B FLCFD, third brake light camera for the Ford. This is not a replacement for your third brake light. It's an addition to. So it sandwiches in between the factory third brake light and the factory roof. Comes with a foam gasket that's going to seal up against the frame of your vehicle. And it's got a nice 5-pin plug that's going to plug into the 26 feet of wire that come with the kit. The wire is covered in a flex loom, and it's got an inline fuse as well as a standard composite video output. So it makes it incredibly easy when customers want to add that third brake light camera so they can see whatever's going on in their bed, whether they've got tools back there, maybe they're towing a trailer or an RV. It just helps improve the overall visibility in their vehicle. The GM version of the third brake light camera is the TE-3B LC GM. Has all the same features and functions as the Ford, only for General Motors. Again, it sandwiches between the third brake light and the factory roof, comes with a rubber gasket and the 5-pin connector with the 26 feet of cable. So it's going to help improve the overall visibility in Ford applications as well as General Motors applications. So I'd like to tell you about a commercial monitor we're bringing into the iBeam line this year. The part number is TE-9VS-4. This is very similar to the current product in the iBeam line, TE-7VS-4. The only difference being is it's not a 7-inch screen, this is now a 9-inch screen. It still has the 4 camera inputs, and they're going to be our commercial cameras, so they're going to have that DIN plug on them. It's got the ability to view all 4 cameras at the same time in quad view. It's going to be a great piece. We got a lot of requests from our customers to add a bigger monitor option within the commercial line, and that's what we've done this year with this product. In today's world, vehicle safety is incredibly important. People want to know what's behind them and what's around them. And the same thing goes for the commercial market as well. Sometimes people don't have side windows. Maybe they don't have rear windows. They still want to be able to see what is around their vehicle just for safety. With the iBeam line and Metra Electronics, we've got that covered. We have a wide range of products that are going to fit your need and get the customer exactly the safety accessory that they're looking for. So if you'd like more information on what we have available, please visit ibeamusa.com. Thank you.